For this video, I am going to teach you how to create a digital business card with a QR code, or how you can create digital business code that can be accessed through a QR code. So before we continue, or before we start with the process, I am going to tell you first some benefits of using a digital business card instead of a traditional business card. So first one, it is eco-friendly. So it reduces paper waste, and also does not have any printing costs. So there's no need for ink, printing for physical storage, which also saves resources costs associated with producing papers and business card. So next is convenience and accessibility. So it is always available for you. You just need to send your QR code to your or to other people. And also, it is easy for updates. So if your contact information changes, you can update your digital card instantly, ensuring that everyone you share it with has the most current details. So next one is the enhanced networking. So it has instant sharing and also interactive features. So digital business cards can be shared via instantly via the email, text, and for this one, the QR code. And they can include clickable links to your website, social media profiles, or portfolio, and allowing recipients to learn more about you with a single click. So there are more benefits that associated with digital business card, but we are going to stop there. And now let us continue with the process and how you can create one. So the tool that we are going to use for this tutorial is Canva. So it is a free platform that you can use to create different designs for your business or for your personal use. So you can generate or you can create business cards, you can create presentations in here, logos, and more. So now what you need to do is to head over to canva.com and create an account if you don't have one yet. But if you do already have an account, just log in into your account using your credentials. So now once you are in the homepage of Canva, this is what it should look like. So once you are in here, let us go to the search bar situated on the upper part of your screen, and then just simply type in business card. So this will allow us to see different templates available for us to use for a business card designs. So you have here, as you scroll down, you have these templates available for you. You can just simply select whatever you want from here based on your preference and also based on your business. So I'm just going to select one for my so I am going with this one right here. Click onto it and then hit choose this or customize this template. So now once you have opened the design on your Canva, you can just customize it and personalize it. You can change the details, your information right here. So you have your number, your email address, your location, and also your website if you have one. So as I said earlier, one of the benefits of having digital or using digital business card is you can have or you can clickable links to your website, to your Instagram profile, Facebook profile, and so on. So again, you can just edit out all of the details right here, your name, your position, and also your photo if you want to do that. But you can also exclude your photo if you don't want to display your face on your business cards. I'm just going to edit that one out. So I'm just going to delete this one. So let us say that I have edited all of the information right here and added all of my information. So now what we are going to do next is to generate the QR code for our business card. So what we are going to do is to create a new project here in Canva, but you can also do it in the same project, but I prefer it in a different project because it needs to have a different sizing or size, because a QR code is usually in a form of like a square in size. So I just generated a project again, and the size is square. So what you're going to do here is go to the app section from the left hand side of your screen. It should be the last option right there. And if you haven't access QR code, you just need to type in QR code on the search bar right here, and then select QR code from the results. So click on it, and this is where you can paste the link for your business card, digital business card. So now let us go back to your business card and hit the share button situated on the upper right corner of your screen. Make sure that the collaboration link is at anyone with link, so that anyone who can access your QR code will be also able to access your digital link right here, or digital business card. So copy the link and then paste it on the section and hit generate code. So just wait for a few seconds, and now after generating your QR code, you can just simply resize it. And this is basically the QR code that you can share with other people, and then they just need to scan it, and then they'll be able to access your business code, or business card rather. So that's basically it. And before we end, I'm just going to tell you that you can also animate your business card if you want to make it more fun. So you just need to select your business card and hit this animate option situated on the upper part of it. Click onto it, and then you will have different options. So you have simple, you have sleek, fun. You just need to select from the options that you have in here. So I'm going with the simple right here. So then when other people access your business card, then they'll be able to see this on their screen. Now, if you want to generate a vertical business card, you can also do that. So on the home page, instead of going with a business card or a normal business card, you can just select right here business card portrait, and you'll have templates for it. And again, you can just do the same process, customize it, change the details, make sure that you will add all of your information and so on, and then generate QR code again and share it to other people. So that's basically it. That is how you can create digital business with a QR code. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.